In this video, we will show you how to divide or add new sections to the comparison table widget. It's a very simple and useful feature. To start, let's choose a row we want to use for a new section. Press the row settings button and in the editing panel, choose the section option. Now you'll see the row merged together to create a section. If you want to choose a color, click the plus sign next to the background color on the editing panel. Now choose the color you want. To change the section content, press Edit Cell and then type in a name in the text box. Click the Style tab on the editing panel to change the design. For example, you can choose text alignment, font size, font weight, and so on. Now you can add as many sections as you need in the same way. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Press the bell button to get notifications if you don't want to miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching!